Alright, today on the Quick Speed Shop, it's gone from fall to winter in like one night. I'm fired up the F250, and we're going to go over to my neighbor's house. He's got a Studebaker truck he's parting out, and I'm going to get the cab off it. So I'm going to get in the truck fired up, hook up the trailer, then we're going to go down the road a couple minutes. Already made it down the road to our secret location. We got a Studebaker M15, M16 truck here with the big firewall for the bigger motor, 1.5-ton truck. We're going to try to get the cab unbolted off the frame here and get it in the trailer. So we're going to clear a lot of this brush out and we'll go from there.
You want to play these down?
Yeah, I got to get it away from the tree here. Nice headlight rims. Oh, this one's split. Flip these down.
Door handle. Aftermarket.
Nice.
Pretty tired.
Extra windshield trim. These cabs have a factory seam right here, so they come apart real easy. I've done this like 3 other cabs in the junkyard, and the seam in the back is already split anyways. This cab's pretty rough. So I always split them right here, then take the roof off, take the back of the cab off.
For jumping around.
Yep, look at that. Bam.
I got to cut a little more on my side. bolt in here.
Back. I'm gonna open the door.
There's the paint.
I'm gonna spin it like this. The gas tank went on the truck, so it was under the cab here. That's why they had that seat riser. All the gas tanks on the M series trucks were under the cab, and the filler net came up through the left side of the cab, and that's how you filled it up. But this tank looks like it's in pretty decent shape. Probably it would clean up if it's not too thin. Studebaker M series running boards. Impossible to find, not rotted out here where the mounts go. They rot out under these brackets, which are completely gone, but even as rough as these are good for parts and pieces. Alright, that's it. A little cut down old rusty Studebaker truck cab here. Out in the wind, it's cold, it's like 35 degrees out. I don't know why winter came so early, but here it is. But we got the truck loaded up. I'm going to run back to my house and try to stash this stuff somewhere. So, good day for getting old junk out of the backyard here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There's going to be a button over here on the trailer. Hit it. Think right there. And put out new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So come back, subscribe, and we'll see you again at the Quick Speed Shop.